Do you know you can't order food, tell time and date, or even say your age in German if you don't know numbers? So today, we will start with the most important ones, 0 to 10. 0 bis 10. Hello guys, welcome back to Connect Language channel. This is lesson 2. But episode 1 of our German numbers series. In this episode, you'll be learning the German numbers 0 to 10 with their correct pronunciation. I mean the Zahlen 0 bis 10. And that is not all. We'll also be learning ordinal numbers 1 to 10. The Ordnungszahlen 1 bis 10. But before we get right into today's class, I need you to do something real quick. Click on the subscribe button. You're already here now, so click on the subscribe button, like this video now, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next episode we'll be dropping on this channel. If you're ready like I am, los geht's! And welcome back to class. Listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Now, 0 in German is null. Null. N-U-L-L. If you still remember our German letters, if you haven't seen the video yet, now go back and watch the video on das Deutsche alphabet, the German alphabet, and you can come back to this so it can be easy for you to comprehend. So, null. 1 in German is eins. Eins. A-E-N-S. Eins. So let me quickly call your attention to this German diphthong, E and I. What are diphthongs? Diphthong is when we have two vowel sounds come together to make a sound in a word. So now this sound is similar to the sound we have in the English words like high, sky, buy, tie, and so on. Exactly. So anywhere you come across a German word with E-I, just pronounce it I mean that part, I. And that is the same sound we have in the word eins. Eins. Good. And then 2 in German is zwei. Zwei. Z-W-E-I. Zwei. Please never be tempted to pronounce this word zwei, because I see so many learners make this mistake. Zwei. Don't pronounce it zwei. It is not zwei. It is zwei. Now I'm going to break it into 3 parts. I already explained EI, right? So let me quickly explain Z and W in German. Z in German is Z. Z. But then here is a tip. Any word you come across, any German word you come across with Z, just pronounce it ts, ts, ts. It's the combination of T and S. Then W in German is pronounced like the English V. V. So anywhere you come across W, just pronounce it as V. So we have ts, v, I. Ts, v, I. Together, zwei. Zwei. You are almost there. Zwei. Zwei. That is 2 in German. 3 in German is drei. Drei. D-R-A-I. Drei. Now, another thing is, German R is pronounced differently from the English R. Let me tell you the difference. The English R is pronounced with the front of your mouth. And we have it in words like try, dry, fry. If I were to pronounce these words in the German way, I would say drei, frei, drei. Now the thing is, German R is pronounced with the back of your throat. With the back of your throat. I'll make another video on how to get that exact German R. Okay? So just know now that German R, back of your throat, English R, front of your mouth. But then 3 in German is drei. Good. And then 4 in German is vier. Vier. V-E-A-R. Vier. Don't pronounce this word wir. Don't do that. V in German is equivalent to the English F. So when you come across a word in German that has V in it, that V part should be pronounced as F. So we have vier. Let me quickly call your attention to this, that for every German rule, there are exceptions. I spoke about the German R being pronounced with the back of your tongue. Now we have R in this word, but it is not pronounced vier. No. So this tells you that German pronunciation changes depending on the sound or the letter or the ending that precedes that particular letter. In this case, R in vier is different from the R in drei. R in vier is not voiced. So drei, vier. 5 in German is fünf. Fünf. F-U-N-F. Fünf. Now you see the reason why you need to go back and watch the video we dropped on das deutsche Alphabet. And then to 6. 6 in German is sechs. Sechs. S-A-T-H-S. Sechs. Now we have 2 S in this word, but one is pronounced Z and the other is pronounced S. Why is it like that? When you have S starting a word or the syllable of a word, it is not pronounced S. It is pronounced Z, like a Z sound. So that is why the first S is pronounced Z and the last one is pronounced S. Do you get it now? So 6 in German is what? Sechs. And then to 7. 7 in German is sieben. Sieben. S-E-A-B-A-N. Sieben. What I said earlier about the S in sechs also applies to the one in sieben. So we have 2 syllables in this word, Z and Ben. So the first one must be pronounced Z. Then to 8. 8 in German is acht. Acht. A-T-H-T. Acht. Acht. Good. And then 9 in German is neun. Neun. N-A-U-N. Neun. Then we have another diphthong there. E-U. A-U. That is another diphthong. I already explained what a diphthong is. So when you come across E-U in a German word, it is pronounced oi. Oi. Like the same sound we have in the English word oil. Okay? So it is pronounced oi. Oi. We have it in words like neun, nine, neu, new. So EU in German is pronounced oi. So that is it for 9. And then to the last number, 10. 10 in German is zehn. Zehn. Z-A-H-N. Zehn. I already explained Z to you, so it's easier for you to pronounce now. So now we are done with 0 to 10. So let's just quickly go through what we've learned. 0 to 10. Die Zahlen 0 bis 10. So let's do that together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 und 10. Clap for yourself. And now to ordinal numbers. Ordnungszahlen. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are used to show positions, used to show order, used to show sequence. So now we have it in English: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So now we are going to be learning from the first position to the 10th position in German. So now 1, which is the first, is erste. Erste. E-R-S-T-E. Erste. 2 is zweite. Zweite. Z-W-E-I-T-E. Zweite. Remember, Z is Z. W is V. So we have zweite. And then 3 is dritte. From drei to dritte. 1, erste. 2, zweite. 3, dritte. And then 4 is vierte. 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 You only need to add T-E. T-E to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bis 10. So you just need to add T-E. However, there are exceptions, like you can see. 1 is not einste, but rather erste. And then 2, zweite. But 3 is dritte, not dreite. Then from 4 to 10, it gets quite easier. So 4 is vierte. 5, fünfte. Fünfte. 6, sechste. Sechste. 7, siebte. Not siebente. Not siebente. It is siebte without en. siebte, 8, achte, achte, 9, neunte, neunte, and then 10 is zehnte, zehnte. We have eins, erste, zwei, zweite, drei, dritte, vier, vierte, fünf, fünfte, sechs, sechste, sieben, siebte, acht, achte, neun, neunte und 10. Write it in the comment section. And now we have come to the end of episode 1 of our German number series. Congratulations! And then in the next episode, we'll be learning from number 11 to 20. We drop videos just once every week, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this interesting series. So now go back, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on interesting German lessons that we drop on this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.